Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Raya Lintang with student ID 2030-2015. I'm from Information System Class A. To the practicum, the first step is entering the data into the Excel table. This data is raw and has not been processed yet. This is the data. Now we move to the second steps is the find highest value. To find the highest value in the data, we use the max formula. The formula is written as max number 1, comma number 2, and this formula is used to determine the maximum value from the dataset. And the result is 87. Now we move to the next step is find the lowest value in the data. We use the min formula. The formula is written as equal min number 1, comma number 2. This formula shows the minimum value of the dataset and the result is 2. Move to the next, total number of data. To count the amount of data, we use the count formula. The formula is written as equal count value 1, comma value 2. Total number of data in dataset equals 77. We range. To calculate the range, subtract the minimum value from the maximum value. The formula is equal max number 1, comma number 2 minus min number 1, comma number 2. Or 82 minus 2 is 85. Next to the number of classes. To determine the number of classes, we use the formula 1 plus 3.3 times log n. The result is 7.22542, and we round up with the formula is equal round number, comma 0. Then the result is 7. Next to the class width. To calculate the class width, divide the range by the number of classes. The formula is class width equal range divided by k, or 85 divided by 7 is 12.1429, and we round it up with the formula equal round up number, comma 0. Then the result is 13. We move to Excel class table. The next step is determine the class interval to divide the database on the class width. The formula is used is minimum value plus class wide time frequency minus 1. It can be written as minimum plus c frequency minus 1 equals class interval. From this calculation, the class interval are 2 to 14, 15 to 27, 28 to 40, 28 to 40, and etc. Next step is calculating the frequency using the frequency formula. It is written as equal frequency data array, comma bins array. This formula is used to count how many data value fall into each class interval. After that, all frequency value are added to using the sum formula. The formula is written as equal sum number 1, comma number 2. This formula is used to calculate the total frequency, and the total result of all frequency is 77. We move to the relative frequency. To calculate relative frequency, divide the frequency by total data, then multiply by 100 and 100. The formula is equal frequency divided by n times 100%. And the result of the relative frequency are 10%, 23%, and etc. Relative frequency by adding the previous frequency to current frequency. The next step is calculating the less than cumulative frequency by adding the previous frequency to the current frequency continuously. The formula is written as previous cumulative frequency plus current frequency equals new cumulative frequency. This table shows the cumulative total from the lowest class to the highest class. And the next step is calculating greater than cumulative frequency by subtracting cumulative value from the total number of data. The formula is written as total data minus previous cumulative frequency equals to the greater than cumulative frequency, or n minus fk equals cumulative frequency. This table shows the cumulative total from the highest class to the lowest class. In conclusion, the data has been processed through several steps, starting from entering the raw data, calculate the range, determining the class interval, and finding frequency, relative frequency, and cumulative frequency. All calculating were done using Microsoft Excel to make process easier and more accurate. Thank you for watching.